Hey everybody, what's good? We back with another Halloween look, and it is the creepy Queen of Hearts. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, so again, I did the brows off camera. We're going to go into 35B palette from Morphe. Use the black from there. In the crayon case, we're going to use a couple of the colors in there. We're going to use this Nicka K lipstick, and we're going to get going. So we're going to start out with drawing a heart on the lid, kind of high up, right below the brow bone. Just a simple mini heart. Then we're going to go in with the Lash Now Glam outline in white color, the graffiti liners, and we're going to trace around that red just to detail the heart a little bit, make it stand out. Then we're going to take black and we're going to do like a parentheses of the color right outside of the heart. I don't know, I want to do like a fade effect of the red, black, and white, which is known for the Queen of Hearts. This is the red from Nicka K lipstick in Shiraz. Now I'm just making the outline of the line for the red, and then I'm going to take the red shadow from the matte book crayon case, and we're going to tap that on and do the same thing, make it into like a parentheses situation. And we're going to repeat and keep going red, black, until there's no space. Then we're going to take the Lash Now Glam outline graffiti liner, and we're going to put that in between the red and black. Now we're going to take the Jumbo pencil by NYX, and we're going to cut a crease out. Then we're going to take the white shadow from the matte book, and we're just going to press it down because we're going to cover it with some glitter. And then we're going to use duo glue and actually put a crease of some rhinestones first. Now, I did the clear rhinestones here to show how to do it, but I did end up adding some red and black to this crease as well in the pattern of the rhinestones. Later on in the video you'll see. So now we're going to take the duo glue and put it over the lid, and we're going to add this glitter from TKB Trading. I had it forever and a day, so yeah. It's like an iridescent color, and we're just going to tap it on, clean it up a bit, and boom. Then we're going to take this black Radiance black velvet liner, and we're going to line our lid. So here is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and we're going to prep the face. Then we're going to take the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filt'r Foundation in the color 440. Then we're going to take the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffee so we can highlight a bit. Then we're going to take the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and we're going to set the concealer that we just added. Then we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Glow Palette, the bronzer palette, and we're going to contour a bit. Then we're going to take the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder and go all over to blend everything together. So we're going to take the matte book and we're going to go into these couple of colors. So it could be like a blush, a heavy blush, because, you know, the Queen of Hearts, she got to look extra. Okay, this is the black crayon case Lippie and the color BlackBoard. I would have put red lip, but at the last minute I changed it to black. I don't know why. I was feeling it. So, yeah. Then I'm going to take the Duo Glue and take these rhinestones that I got from Amazon and or AliExpress. I mixed black, clear, silver, all together, and red, of course, all together, and then just randomly placing them on the lip. You want to let your glue get tacky always, no matter what. Wait about 30 seconds, it'll dry a little bit, you know, get sticky, and then you can place them. It won't take any time, honestly. Kind of wish I would have did it in a certain design that I have in my head, but it's okay. It came out cute. I like it. I had to hold my lips kind of steady. Okay, so I have a deck of cards and I'm taking out the hearts, and I included the Queen and the King, cut them in half, bent the end so that it can stick onto my neck better. This is medical tape, which is all I had and actually worked for the better, and I stuck it to my neck because it was hard to get it to stick with the glue. It just was not working. So this was my result of doing that. So once I taped it there, the medical tape was easy to cover in foundation, and it really matched my skin. So yeah, now it's gonna look like it's like that to be bent so that it can look like it's protruding out of your neck. You'll see the results. So this is scar wax that I got from Amazon. It is so messy. You gotta play with it before you know what to do with it and everything. And I only used it one time before, so it was a little struggle. But I smeared it on there because it warms up a bit. And as you can see, it looks like scaly skin. And then I take some foundation and cover it so it could look like more like my skin color. I should have used the beauty blender, but it worked out. Now I'm taking the matte book and that burgundy-ish color there so that I can add a little bit of bruising, you know, around the edges. You may not be able to fully see it, but it's gonna come along. You'll see. Now, the scar wax was starting to melt because I was hot, and it was just weird. It was doing a lot, but I made it do what it do. This is fake blood that I got from Amazon. It was actually in a kit with the scar wax, and this stuff is so freaking messy. It stains your hands a little bit, but once you wash them and everything, it'll go away. It's not a problem. So be careful. It's messy, like I said. So I'm just going in the crease of my neck, the cards, and the scar wax, so that it can look like it was sliced by the cards. Then I'm taking some driplets of the blood and putting it underneath so that it can drip down as if it just happened. And these are the Artist Moon Beauty lashes that I'm going to be putting on in the color, I'm sorry, in the style, I do believe you pronounce it Centauri, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm all done, okay? Again, thanks for watching, tuning in, all my OGs that have been here, and thank you and welcome to the newbies that are here. Don't forget to like, comment, follow, and become a Subbie. The name's Miss Brand New on everything, and if you just like makeup on Instagram, it's brand new _ beauty. Okay.